Yo, what is going on, guys? Alex here from Pi. Today we are taking this Obsidian 750D with the Core i7 7700K, a GTX 1080, and we're gonna be doing a case swap. And we're swapping it to this bad boy, the NZXT H710i. Let's open this bad boy up. You see, you probably shouldn't use a kitchen knife to open these things. It's probably a safety hazard, but sue me. Bam. Probably just broke a couple things doing that right there. But that's beyond the point. So the good thing about this case, it features USB-C. It has two USB-A ports. Great versatility and the tempered clad design. It's a very premium, upbeat case. That's why I chose it for this build. All right, baby, let's get this started. Let's get it rolling. We're gonna start off by removing the two cap screws to remove the side panel. Let's get her wide open. Now, it's important to keep in mind while you're doing this, you really wanna make sure you're touching the case frequently, or else you're gonna create static buildup, which is gonna cause you to potentially harm some of your components within your PC. So you really want to be careful.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, this is the final build for the PC, including the GTX 1080, 32 gigabytes of RAM, 4 terabyte hard drive, 1 terabyte SSD. So yeah, she's a monster and she's going up for sale. So if any of you are interested in getting her, let me know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want more content, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, baby. Thank you and peace out. Oh shit. Yeah. Shit.